All right, so here we have a 2007 Ford Escape. We're going to be doing an oil change on this one. It's a 3-liter engine. All right, so we're going to get started by just removing the oil cap. We're going to put the oil cap right there. We'll go ahead and pull the dipstick tube up. All right, so now we'll raise the vehicle and get underneath it. All right, so here we have the drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. We'll go ahead and loosen that. All right, so on this drain plug, there's a gasket. The gasket looks pretty bad. It's all broken up. We're going to go ahead and replace it with another plastic gasket. We'll go ahead and get that other one peeled off. All right, so here's our new oil filter that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of oil. We're going to fill the filter up and lube the seal. We've already checked to make sure that there is no seal left, so we're not going to double gasket. So our old oil filter still had the gasket on it. All right. Go ahead and lube the seal up. And this is just to help prevent any dry starts. All right, you can tell these are definitely two different size oil filters. You know, we pulled off this aftermarket. This is factory. But really, it's the O-ring size is the same. You know, so this filter did do its job. It just doesn't have the volume that this one had. So we'll go ahead and install our Ford filter. Okay. All right, so we'll go ahead and lower the vehicle. All right, so we'll go ahead and put some oil in there and then check it. Our 6th quart into it. All right, so that's what we're looking for. We're right there. All right.